Good morning. Candace Carter Thoughts to go back after a year. I signed off last year after my husband Tulio died, and I thought I'd be back online, maybe after a few months, but it turned into a year, and it was my sorrow year, which I have now completed. Doesn't mean the sorrow's gone, it just means the first step is taken. So I have a new idea I want to work on with you. I want to share it with you. So let me move up here a little. This is Tulio's studio. I want to spend time here. And if you look at my playlists, I have 3. The first one was Thoughts to Go in general. The second one was I started reading my book, We Saved the World. Then this one, then Tulio died. And then I took a break and I said, I can't right now. I'll be back maybe sometime. And that's what happened. I came back. I mean, that's what's happening now. So this is the last picture you saw. It's from Tulio, and it's Pentecost, which is the coming Sunday, a big celebration for the Christian religion. It's when the Holy Ghost comes down and passes out languages, so you can run around the world and talk to everybody. That's kind of a short version. Anyway, in this painting, I said, this guy down here was Tulio. So who are these guys? And how come, if they were the 12 apostles, do we have 14 heads, which you can't really see all of them because here is also the chair, his chair and his little hat and his green frog jacket I always said that he wore when he worked. So why am I here? I want to spend time talking to objects, talking to paintings and people in the paintings, and I will call this series The Artist Was Present, and we'll spend time in this room and share with you his thoughts and my thoughts on his thoughts. Because a studio someone has worked in for over 40 years is a place that has the imprint of this person. It's a special place. It's an intimate place. It's a place he never really shared with a lot of people because that was the way he was. Anyway, I'm signing off for now. You will hear more from me. I may not post every week 3 minutes. It'll sometimes be longer, sometimes be shorter. However, you will be hearing from me. I will do these videos I will do 2 videos in both languages, German and English, and that way, even though I may not say the same thing on both videos, the same idea. So that's all for now from Tulio and from me, and bye-bye for now.